What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do maintenance on the truck. We're gonna go ahead and change the oil and rotate the tires. It's been about a year since I changed the oil on the truck. This is the oil I'm gonna be using, Amsoil 0W20 synthetic. There's 8 quarts in here and there's a filter. I'll show you guys. There you go. Filters right here. This is the filter I'm be using, EA017. I bought this online yesterday for about $100, and it arrived in maybe less than 24 hours. Also, while we're under the truck, we're gonna go ahead and change the fog lights on the truck, because the ones that I have in here burnt out. I had installed these about maybe a year ago, also when I had changed the oil. I bought them local, cheap, for about maybe 15-20 bucks. So I kind of knew they weren't gonna last long. Let me show you guys what we're going to be installing for the fog lights. Morimoto XB LED lights. I got them local for about 140 bucks new. And new online from their website is about 210 bucks. Let me go ahead and open it up and show you guys. Look at them. Can't wait to install these. Let's go ahead and change the oil. You're going to need a size 15 filter wrench, okay, to catch your old oil, and some rubber gloves. Perks of having a lifted truck is that I don't have to jack it up, because it's already high enough for me to go under. When you're about to drain your oil, what I like to do is go ahead and open this up. This is the bolt that you're gonna unscrew, and this is your filter. I also mentioned that it was a size 15, but I was wrong. It's a size 16. Once you loosen it up, go ahead and loosen it with your hand. Go ahead and remove the filter now. Once you got it a little loose, go ahead and do it by hand. So now that we have the filter out, get the new one. I don't know if I said this before, but the truck takes 8 quarts. That's what it recommends. I like to add oil in the filter and on the rubber. put the plug first. Let's add the filter now. Tighten up the filter just a little bit. Don't over tighten it either. There you go, that's how you drain the oil and put the new filter. Let's add the oil now. Get your funnel. Once you put all the oil already, go ahead and remove your funnel. Check the dipstick, which should be right here. Don't break it the first time you pull it out. Go ahead and clean it off and then put it back in and then check it. Looks good to me. Go ahead and just reset the oil life. Right here, you should just hold this check button. Also, don't forget to write down how many miles when you changed your oils. Now I'm gonna go ahead and rotate my tires. The front, I'm gonna put them in the back, and then the back, I'm gonna put them in the front. Got the wheels rotated. Oil changed. Everything's good so far. Time to install these fog lights. Go ahead and show you guys that the fog lights don't work no more. This is the fog light symbol. They don't work at all. Maybe this one, look. Barely see it all. So that's why I'm switching them. Remove my fog light. So I don't know if you guys can see. This way. This tab right here, go ahead and squeeze it and then push it in. Just like that. There should be 3. 1 here, 2 on top next to each other. Okay guys, once you got them all pushed in, all 3 of them, and then just pull, just like that. You're gonna need this piece right here. It's gonna be a big difference from the stock one to the Morimoto ones. We'll go ahead and unscrew this. You need to remove this piece right here too. So I'm gonna use needle nose pliers. Oops. Don't lose it. Put it on the new one. Screw this back in. Just take them off and then put them back in where they belong. Put these tabs back in there. don't push them all the way in. Leave them out a little bit. Go ahead and grab your fog light. This piece right here is to adjust your fog light. That's why it has that. Just in case you guys didn't know. And just push it in. They popped in. Plug the wires. There's only one direction that you can plug these in. So you see these two little lines match up with these two little lines on this side, and then on this other side should have one only. And that's it. Do it to the other side now. Got both of them installed. These are the fog lights that it had. They were decent. I'm not gonna say they were junk because they lasted for a year for like 15 bucks. I'm gonna go ahead and turn them on. Turn on the fog lights. I'm gonna see if I can get a nice shot at night. Save these stock fogs just in case everyone will sell the truck or trade it in or whatever, you know. All right guys, so there you go. That's the maintenance that I do on the truck when it comes to changing the oil and rotating the tires. The fog lights, it's a little upgrade, so I needed those. So yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe.